Hey there, mathletes! Welcome back to our wacky world of numbers, where we turn tough equations into a laugh riot. I'm your host, Mr. Mathy, and today we're diving headfirst into the wild world of complex equations. But don't worry, we'll make it as easy as pie, or should I say, as easy as pie. All right, let's tackle this beast of an equation together. We've got variables, exponents, and more twists and turns than a roller coaster ride. But fear not, my fearless friends, because we've got some tricks up our sleeves. Step 1. Identify the equation type. This equation is a quadratic equation, as it contains a variable, x raised to the second power, x squared. Step 2. Determine the quadratic equation form. The standard form of a quadratic equation is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. In our equation, a is 2, b is 5, and c is -3. Now let's tackle those pesky exponents. Think of them like little ninjas waiting to strike with their mathematical might. But fear not, we'll disarm them with some quick tricks and ninja moves of our own. Step 3. Apply the quadratic formula. The quadratic formula is given by x equals -b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c, all over 2 times a. Substituting the values of a, b, and c into the formula, we get x equals -5 plus or minus the square root of 5 squared minus 4 times 2 times -3 all over 2 times 2. Step 4. Calculate the discriminant. The discriminant, b squared minus 4 times a times c, determines the nature of the roots. b squared minus 4 times a times c equals 5 squared minus 4 times 2 times -3. b squared minus 4 times a times c equals 25 plus 24. b squared minus 4 times a times c equals 49. Step 5. Determine the number of solutions. If the discriminant is positive, b squared minus 4 times a times c is greater than 0, the equation has 2 distinct real roots. If the discriminant is 0, b squared minus 4 times a times c equals 0, the equation has 1 real root, a repeated root. If the discriminant is negative, b squared minus 4 times a times c is less than 0, the equation has 2 complex roots. Step 6. Substitute values into the quadratic formula. For our equation, since the discriminant, b squared minus 4 times a times c, is positive, we will have 2 distinct real roots. Substitute the calculated values of a, b, and the discriminant into the quadratic formula. X equals -5 plus or minus the square root of 49, all over 4. Step 7. Solve for x. Simplify the expression x equals -5 plus or minus 7, all over 4. There are 2 possible solutions. X sub 1 equals 2 over 4 equals 1/2. X sub 2 equals -12 over 4 equals -3. And there you have it, folks. We've conquered the complex equation and emerged victorious. Remember, math may seem tough at times, but with a little humor and a lot of perseverance, you can solve any problem that comes your way. Until next time, keep crunching those numbers and laughing all the way to the solution.